歡迎嚟到尼斯塔的英文教室。呢一課係 Past Continuous Tense。Prologue。When telling a story，past simple 咧就係 for action，for 動作咁嘅意思。Past continuous 咧就 for situation，就係講設定背景啊、交代背景等等。Example 1。I was reading a book when the book rang。當我睇緊書嘅時候，電話就響啦。Past continuous 咧就係形容緊呢個 was reading，就係講緊一個背景嘅狀況 background situation。而 past simple 咧就對象咧就係個 rang，就係講主要嘅動作 main action 解啦。Example 2。When I walk into the classroom, my classmates were speaking so loudly, so I asked them to be quiet. Past continuous were speaking so loudly 係指個 background information、background situation。Past simple ask 係個 main action，就主要講咩嘢去影響到個 background situation 啦。以下係 past continuous tense 嘅 structure，有4款：肯定句、否定句、疑問句同埋否定疑問句。主要結構就寫喺中間嗰欄，右邊就係講相關例句，請慢慢觀察嚟欣賞。Past continuous usage 1，只係講一個過去某個特定時間正在進行嘅動作。Yesterday at 8 o'clock, I was moving movie. Moving was moving movie，紅色嘅字就我哋之前所講嘅 predicate 啦。I 就係個 subject。咁我哋喺呢句話，我哋可以理解到啲乜嘢咧？我理解嘅係喺尋日8點呢段時間，我正喺度睇電影。咁我睇咗幾耐咧？我唔知。二，我冇睇完咧？有，因為佢係過去式。三，咁我咩時候睇完咧？句子就冇話俾我聽啦。佢只係話俾我聽喺8點呢個時候，我正喺度睇緊電影。所以你能夠理解嘅係呢個動詞時態並冇俾咗太多資訊我哋。簡單嚟講，呢一個句子主要提供咗2個關鍵嘅信息：一，睇電影嘅時候正係8點鐘發生；二，佢發生嘅時間喺過去並持續咗一段時間。Usage 2。when 同埋 while 嘅分別，我們想講一個特定時間嘅動作，或同另一個動作之間重疊發生，我哋就用 when 同埋 while。當我哋用 when 嘅時候，就用緊 past simple tense；對 while 嘅時候就 past continuous tense。Okay. We have here is a long action being interrupted by a smaller action. Usage 2. Example. While I was checking my email, my boss, who is very bossy, came to my desk. 因為 checking my email 係一個 continuous tense，所以我哋就跟 while 啦。When my boss, who is very bossy, called out to me, I was talking to my clients on the phone。因為 I was talking to a client on the phone 係一個已經發生持續嘅事件，所以當個 boss 叫你嗰陣時咧，就係一個突發性嘅事件啦。喺呢度 bossy 係一個 adjective，佢嘅意思係等於 like to give orders in a controlling way，即係好中意俾指令人，佢呢個叫人做嘢咁解。Usage 2 example 2 While I was arriving in Vancouver, I couldn't wait to hit the town. When I arrived in Vancouver, I couldn't wait to hit the town. Hit the town 呢就代表出街玩、周圍玩嘅意思。呢兩句大致上都 OK，只有一啲些微唔同嘅地方。個 key difference 就寫咗喺下邊呢度啦。你哋就呢個唔再多解釋啦。Usage 2 Example 3 I was the life and soul of the party when I was a Wing Chun practitioner at a martial arts school. I was the life and soul of the party when I was being a Wing Chun practitioner at a martial arts school. The first one is correct and the second one is wrong. Why? 下邊有解釋啦。Was being a practitioner 就唔係一個好正統嘅英文，因為 B 型就好少同埋一個固定嘅身份啊去擺埋一齊用嘅。Practitioner 就唔係一個間歇性或者一個活動，但係係一個狀態或者一個身份，所以我哋就唔用一個 continuous tense 啦。同埋呢個外國人好少會咁樣用嘅。而家係講下兩個 past continuous 為一個 while 加埋嘅句子。例句如下 ：He was studying English while his friend was practicing piano. While his friend was practicing piano, he was studying English。兩句子其實個意思就差唔多，只係分別喺呢個語氣上邊。Usage 3 Past annoying habits Past continuous 可以加以下嘅生字去表示過去令人煩惱嘅習慣。while 則係用嚟交代背景，通常兩個動作同時進行。Usage 3 Example While I was studying, my roommates were always playing loud music. While we were having dinner, he was constantly checking his phone. While I was working, my colleague was forever interrupting me. While they were watching TV, the kids were continually fighting. While I was trying to sleep, my neighbor was all the time making noise. Quiz 請下載 PDF 檔，按 link 後點右上角下載符號，儲存之後就變作一個 viewable 嘅 PDF 檔啦。多謝收看尼斯達的英文教室。本集內容由南豆教育中心贊助，想英文 grammar 進步，記得撳下邊條 link 睇更多免費資源啦。